The news in detail. The legal counsel of Hnlc, Fernando Shangpliang, was not allowed to file his show cause by the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal, as the tribunal had fixed February 13th as the date for the Hnlc to submit objections on the matter. The legal counsel of Hnlc, Fernando Shangpliang, appeared before a tribunal here on Saturday for the first time. He told media persons that he had submitted before the tribunal to allow him to file show cause on behalf of the Hnlc, as they want the ban on the organization to be lifted. Informing that the union government and state government had already submitted their affidavits, the legal counsel said that now they have to proceed ahead in the matter by cross-examining all the witnesses. According to Shangpliang, he will cross-examine all the witnesses submitted by the Union of India and the state government on April 9th in Guwahati.
I have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross-examination. So by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will, on the next week, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. And based on that, then from my side, I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross-examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government.